This video helping you complete the ULTIMEA Nova S70 unboxing and setup, following some steps, then enjoy the ultimate Dolby Atmos sound experience. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Take out the items from the box one by one. We provide you with all the cables, no need to buy them separately. First, let's connect the soundbar. Set the two parts of the soundbar on the same level and align the connection joints. Connect the two parts by pushing parallelly to combine as one piece. Step 2. Plug in 6-pin cable. Connect the subwoofer to the sub-out port of the soundbar. Better audio experience when subwoofer is aimed at the wall for bass reflection. Let's experience the auditory feast brought by the 3.1.2 ch Dolby Atmos soundbar. It's time to connect your TV. This video will show 4 common connections for TV. Firstly, connect to your TV via ARC output. ARC/eARC is preferred if your TV has an ARC/eARC output, and HDMI in ports are not supported. Dolby Atmos audio format supported only with the included eARC cable connected to your TV's eARC output port. To protect the soundbar for longer life, connect the HDMI cable and power cable according to the steps and then switch on the power. First, plug the HDMI cable into the soundbar and then connect the power cord. Connect the power supply. Select the eARC mode via eARC button on the remote control. The soundbar's LED will display eARC. Switch the TV to the correct audio output mode, HDMI. When wall mounting the soundbar, our angled HDMI cables prevent damage from bending. Dolby Atmos is supported only when HDMI eARC is connected and TV audio format is set to auto or pass-through. When HDMI ARC is connected, CEC function supported. The TV's remote control can control the soundbar and TV simultaneously. 1. Turn on or off. 2. Adjust the volume. Let's try it out. Try controlling your TV and soundbar with the TV remote. Try the volume adjustment again. Easy and fast, right? Finally, close with one click. For connecting other devices to both your TV and soundbar, try using the HDMI in port on the soundbar. Step 1. Connect HDMI from soundbar's HDMI out, eARC, to TV's eARC/ARC port. Step 2. Connect HDMI from another device's HDMI out to soundbar's HDMI in. Step 3. Press Input button on soundbar or remote control to switch to HDMI IN channel. Secondly, we show the optical connection. Remember to remove the protective cap. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then, plug the other end of the optical cable into the soundbar and connect the power cord. The same, and finally connect the power supply. Switch the mode of the soundbar to OPT via the remote control OPT button. The soundbar's LED will display OPT. Switch the TV to the correct audio output mode, optical. Next, we will show the AUX connection. Connect the 3.5mm to RCA cable to your TV's RCA audio out. Next, insert the other end of the AUX cable into the soundbar and connect the power cord. The same, and finally connect the power supply. Press the input mode button on the remote control until switched to AUX. Prefer wireless? Here, Bluetooth connection. Switch the mode of the soundbar to Bluetooth via the remote control BT button. The soundbar's LED will display BT. Turn on Bluetooth setting of your phone. Choose the name of ULTIMEA Nova S70 to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt, "Connected," from soundbar, the Bluetooth connection is successful. Also, if your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly. Turn on your TV's Bluetooth. Choose name of ULTIMEA Nova S70 to connect soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt, "Connected," from soundbar, the Bluetooth connection is successful. Sometimes you have followed the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry. All it takes is a TV audio format settings. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings, Sound, Expert Settings, Digital Output Audio Format, Auto. Settings, Sound, Expert Settings, Digital Output Audio Format, Pass-Through. Settings, Sound, Expert Settings, Digital Output Audio Format, PCM. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us. We are always here for you. We hope you have a pleasant experience at ULTIMEA.